How to fix event ID 46, crash dump initialization failed, in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Enable memory dump in settings. Enabling memory dump involves adjusting your system settings to instruct Windows to create a dump file upon encountering a system error. This is crucial for diagnosing issues like event ID 46, as the crash dump contains detailed information about the system state during the error. In the new window, under the System Failure section, make sure Write an event to the system log and automatically restart are checked. In the right debugging information drop-down, select Automatic Memory Dump. Click OK to apply changes. The chkdsk utility in Windows scans your hard disk for errors and attempts to fix them automatically. If the event ID 46 issue is due to disk-related issues, running chkdsk may resolve the problem. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. Restart your system. Wait until the scan is finished. You can find the results in the event viewer. Fix 3. Perform SFC and DISM scans. System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, are Windows utilities that can repair corrupted system files. If the issue is due to system file corruption, running these scans can help fix the problem. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Modifying the registry to generate a dump file can sometimes resolve the crash dump initialization failed error. Be cautious when using the registry editor, as incorrect changes can cause serious system problems. If the microsh dump entry does not exist, you should create it by right-clicking on an empty space and selecting New DWORD, 32-bit, value, then naming it microsh dump.